over this, but we're gonna do my dresses now. Okay, hopefully you guys can see I'm still watching my show, so I'm just gonna like do my thing. Okay, this is the first dress, and I'm keeping it for sure. I didn't zip it up all the way, but this is a cute dress. I can wear it with thigh highs or short boots, and I really want to get like a black hat to wear with it, and I feel like this is so cute. This is the next dress, and I'm definitely keeping it. I feel like this one is also pretty cute. Another one that I'm gonna be keeping, we're gonna get rid of this dress. Okay, I have this one. This also kind of looks like a robe, but I am gonna keep it because I do really like it. I feel like it is still a vibe if I put like a jacket over it, and if I do like thigh-high boots with it, I feel like, yeah, that's a vibe. This dress is also being kept. It's great for clubbing. I don't have the right underwear on for this, but it's great for clubbing. I have this dress as well that's not zipped up, but this is a cocktail dress, and I'm keeping this because this is really nice, and I feel like I could definitely get some use out of this. Plus, this is my favorite color, like green. So this is super cute. This is the next one. And also not gonna be getting rid of this one because it's a vibe. This is a dress that I got for free, and I like kind of like it, but I also don't really like it that much. Like, I don't see myself wearing this really ever. I don't like how it fits. I don't like the extra fabric here. I don't know, like, I don't know, maybe I'm just too tiny for this, but it just feels big here. Like, I just don't fill this dress out. It is really cute because it has like the open back, and then it has like a collar. So I'm gonna keep it. It's not zipped up all the way, but I'm gonna keep it because it's like, it's cute. It's still kind of like, this could be like an Easter dress or like a cute summery date dress. Okay, so I'm getting rid of this one as well. It's not really my vibe anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This outfit I wore the other day. I will post a picture right here. And this one, I tried to put it on, doesn't even fit me anymore, so I'm getting rid of it. I'm definitely keeping this one. This one is a banging outfit. Like, I'm sorry if you can see through it, but I love this dress. This dress looks so good. This is still pretty cute. I like it, but I feel like this bit down here never came out before, so I don't know why it's coming out now. I don't really wear this that much. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm probably gonna keep just because it is so basic, and I love basic clothes. I tried to try this one on. I literally bought this last year and it fit, but now my head doesn't fit through the turtleneck, so it has to go. This is the new Balenciaga dress. I'm just kidding, no it's not, but oh my god, that's totally see-through. So this dress I do really like, but it doesn't give me any shape. I feel like it's still kind of a vibe with like Converse or something. But honestly, I've only worn it a couple of times and I've had it for like 2 years, so I don't think I'm gonna keep it. This dress, it's not bad, but I don't think that I should keep it. I don't know, like I wish it showed more skin. I feel like then I would keep it. I'm a hoe. I actually like it. I'm gonna keep it. I wore this the other day in an apartment tour. If you want to see it on, go check it out. Slip dresses. I have another one as well, and I think the other one is just a tad bit shorter, but I do kind of want to buy another one that's a little bit tighter and also that has like a slit. So that's kind of my vibe. This is like cute, but like it's cute. It's not like sexy, which I want to kind of look sexy. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it for now. This is the next dress. I do really like it. It kind of makes me feel like I should be in Hawaii, but at the same time, I'm not going to Hawaii. So I have also had this for a while, so I think I'm gonna part with it and let it go. Okay, this is a cute dress, but I don't like the lace here. I wish this was tight. I'm gonna get rid of it. This romper, I feel like this romper, I don't know, is good for just like running errands, but still looking kind of cute on a super hot day. So I think I am gonna keep it. This is a super cute dress for like, I don't know, brunch or something with like brown heels. Oh God, no. I like this dress. I feel like it's cute, so I'm gonna keep it. I feel like with a belt around this and some like boots, and again, one of those black hats, this would be such a cute outfit. Okay, this isn't the cutest dress, but I like it, and I think that it's good for like business times. I would just wear a blazer and probably some tights and heels with it. Okay, so I have this dress. It's not zipped up, literally still has a tag on it. And this dress is honestly so old, like I would probably wear something else now. And I don't really like sequins because it's super scratchy. Okay, so it doesn't look bad on. I'm gonna give it one more shot. If I don't wear it this year, I'm getting rid of it. I don't know if you guys can see through this right now, so I'm covering it because I don't have anything under. But this is a good dress for work. I mean, it's casual, but also comfy and simple and basic. There's this romper, and I think I'm gonna keep it. I have kept this so many times. I've never worn it. I'm getting rid of this. I don't even need to try it on. Okay, so I finished going through all of my other sweaters, not my pullovers, my jackets, and my dresses. I still need to do all of that and all of my like business attire, and then I still need to do my shoes and my sneakers, and then I need to go through the drawers, which you guys won't see the top 2 drawers just because you guys don't need to see that stuff, but the other drawers are just stuffed with clothes, so it should be fine. I'm excited to like clear out this whole area because I have something in mind that I want to do for that area. So we'll see how it goes. And I'm honestly gonna ask the maintenance people like what size light this is, and I'm gonna try and buy a white light because I heard that makes your closet more flattering, but we'll see. I'm gonna like shower and get ready for bed because I have to wake up pretty early for work. I'm trying to like do a morning routine, and I like to read before I go to bed, so I'm gonna like do that. But I will be back to at least go through this top row and the business clothes tomorrow.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. now we both see love in a different light. Keep it love alive. It's a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly. Gotta give it wings. If you wanna make it right, don't let it fry. Don't hold on too tight. You know you gotta try. Keep it love alive. To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty?
Okay, I am gonna go through my dresser right now. You guys, look at this pile of clothes right here. It's pretty ridiculous. Probably gonna put on a movie and I'm gonna pray to God that I'm done by the end of it.
All the time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.